If you have a few minutes of free time and you want to learn how to start making money from your smartphone, this video is for you. What I'm going to reveal to you are 3 specific apps that are totally free to install that will allow you to generate hundreds of dollars with very little work. So what I'm going to do inside this video is break down all 3 different apps, share with you exactly how to make money with them, and then towards the very end of the video, I'm gonna reveal even more secret tips to take what you learn and scale it up to make even thousands of dollars with these simple apps just using your smartphone. So go ahead, stick with me in this video, and let's dive in. But before that, if you want to learn online money-making methods, affiliate marketing, or how to create passive income, be sure to go down below, click the subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always notified of my latest video. Last, if you want to discover my #1 recommended way to make money online, click the first link in the description to check it out. Without further ado, let's begin today's video. All right, my friend, now the very first app I'm gonna actually share with you is called GigWalk. Now, GigWalk is a popular app that's free to download and use. And basically what you will make money doing is different gigs around town. Okay, so basically the steps are very simple. The very first step is you wanna download the app, okay? Now you can download from an iOS or an Android device. Now this is what it looks like on the Apple Store, okay? It's this logo here. And once you find that logo, you can go ahead and download it. Now it has 4.6 out of 5 average rating out of 3.4 thousand ratings, okay? So it's really well rated. Now, what does GigWalk do, okay? So once you register your account in the app, you wanna link your PayPal account, and that's how you're gonna get paid. So they will actually send you the money that you generate doing these gigs to whatever PayPal that you actually hook up with it, okay? Now, again, once you set all that up and you're able to actually make money with your PayPal account and collect the money, the last step is you simply will use the app to find and complete gigs in your area. So around town, they will actually tell you different gigs that they need you to do, okay? And I have some examples right here. So, for example, a lot of them are gonna be secret shopper type, okay? Where they're gonna tell you a specific restaurant or store, and you're gonna actually have to go there and then take photos of the inventory or comment on the customer service. So you're basically acting as a secret shopper. Now, another one, as you can see right here, another example of a gig is you can take a photo of every brand or type of product in a specific store. So they may tell you, hey, go to this specific store that's going to be, within 5 to 10 minutes of your location. Go there, take some pictures of the product, and then submit it to the app. And once you do that, you will actually get paid. Now, what does GigWalk pay and how do the payments work? Now, again, GigWalk is going to pay you primarily through PayPal. Okay, so as you rack up money doing these simple gigs around town, you will start to generate money into your app, and then you can transition it into your PayPal account and spend the money however you want. Most, on average, are going to pay you between $4 and $12 per gig, okay? Now, they may pay you up to $50 in some cases, but as a general rule, it's going to be about $4 to $12, which isn't too bad if you're looking for some just extra money and you like going around town almost on a scavenger hunt and trying different things, okay? If you're someone that likes being in a stable location and you don't like leaving the house that much, then maybe one of the other apps I'm going to share in a second may be more for you. But if you're someone that likes exploring and doing different tasks and things like that and making money, then you may want to consider GigWalk as one of the apps you use to make money. All right, now the next app I want to break down for you is called Fope. Now, maybe you've heard of this popular app, but basically what Fope is a free app that you can actually take pictures or videos and submit it to the app, and they will actually pay you per video and per picture based on the criteria they give you. Now, I'm on the website right now that shares more information and kind of what it looks like, but what you have to understand is this app works both in the App Store or on the Google Play Store. So for example, at the App Store, this is the icon that you're looking for. Now, this specific app has 11,900 ratings and 4.5 out of 5 stars, which is incredibly high of a rating, okay? And this is kind of what it's gonna look like when you're actually doing the app. Now, how do you make money with FOAP, and how much money can you expect to earn? Well, basically, if you see right here, okay, the support manager at FOAP replied to someone's message on Quora. And I just want to break down the 4 different ways that you can actually make money with FOAP, whether you want to take pictures or videos and things like that. And if you're not that creative, you can still use this app to make money, as you'll see in a second. So number 1 is you can join regular FOAP missions, okay, which usually require, as it says right here, specific products in your photos and videos. So some of these you can just take random photos and videos and submit and make money. But with this specific method inside of the FOAP app, they're going to tell you a specific type of product, okay? And then you want to go video or take a picture of that product to submit. Now, what will happen is with this specific way to make money with the mission, you are competing against other people on the app, okay? So they say that rewards range from $100 to $500, and these missions only have 1 winner. So if you're someone that's maybe more creative, maybe you like taking pictures, you're someone that takes a lot of selfies, or you like videography, right? And making maybe YouTube videos, then this could be a great way to make a couple $100. Now the second way is you can actually do premium missions. Okay, now it says right here you have to actually unlock these in the app using FOAP coins, which you can generate watching video ads. So inside of the app, you can actually generate these coins watching commercials essentially, and when it plays, you will actually get paid in coins, which you can use to do these premium missions. Now, these premium missions are somewhat similar to the other type of missions, but these have multiple different winners. Okay, so up to 60 winners per mission. So with this, again, you don't have to be as good with the other types, and you can actually win. Now, it says it doesn't require a specific product in the photos, so they will tell you the criteria that the photo or video needs to have. But this premium mission that you can use with coins is a lot less strict. Total rewards for this is going to be up to $2,000. Okay, so this is a way that you can generate some serious money if you're one of the 60 people that could win that mission. Okay, and they constantly have different missions going on. Number 3, okay, out of the 4 is you can add any photos to your profile, caption them, tag them, and wait for someone to spot them and buy them. Okay, and so for example, if you're on Instagram a lot, maybe you're taking pictures, you're posting on Instagram, you're captioning them, you're tagging them, why not get paid for that? So with the FOAP app, you can actually take a picture, okay, and it's a less strict, you can kind of take a picture of whatever you want, caption that, tag it, just like you would on Instagram, but post it on FOAP too, and you can actually earn $5 per picture. Okay, and the last way to make money with the specific app is uploading other photos to your album. So when you create an account with FOAP, you're gonna have your own album, and if you post just random pictures in there that you take, someone could actually be searching for that specific type of photo, and they will pay you about 25 cents per photo to be able to use that. I wanted to share FOAP because if you're someone that's creative, if you're someone that's taking Instagram photos and captioning them, or you're taking a lot of selfies, why not turn that into money? And you can do that with the free FOAP app. Okay, now the last app I want to share with you to make money from your smartphone is called Poshmark. Now Poshmark is unique to the other 2 because it's hands down the most popular out of the 3. Now the cool thing about Poshmark is if you're someone that has clothing that you don't wear anymore, right? Maybe it's clothing in your closet or your dresser, and you just don't find the desire to put that on anymore. You can actually take a picture of that clothing, list it onto this app, and start to make money when you sell it. Okay, so what Poshmark allows you to do is sell your fashion. Basically go to the App Store or the Google Play Store, and this is the icon, okay? This is what you're looking for. And when you download it, you'll be able to set up an account and start to list items to sell. Now you can see right here that it has 204,000 ratings and 4.7 out of 5 stars, okay? Which is, again, absolutely incredible. Now, the way this basically works, okay, if I go down here, is you'll see that how it works is first you list it, okay? So you take a photo from the clothing item that you want to sell, and within 60 seconds, it can be uploaded into your closet, okay? Which is basically your album of photos and clothing that you want to sell inside the app. Now, the second step is you're going to share it, okay? So you're going to share your item to the app audience that are on there, and they're gonna start to see your clothing. Now, if it's good clothing, meaning it's in good shape and things like that, they can actually be interested and they can actually buy it. And the last step is basically you're just gonna ship it, and when they get the item in the mail, you're gonna get that money. Okay, now shipping is very easy because they actually give you a prepaid label, so you can go ahead and ship it through UPS. Okay, so that's really all it takes with Poshmark. But what I want to do is share with you some bonus tips, because with Poshmark specifically, you can really take this, you know, as far as you want to go. The sky's the limit. In fact, some people have been able to generate 6 figures, over $100,000 per year, just making money with Poshmark. Okay, so someone watching this video could very well do this and, you know, earn a ton of money. Okay, so the very first tip with Poshmark is you want to list the price of the item that you're trying to sell about 30% higher than what you're willing to sell it for, because that's going to allow you to negotiate. So when you list it about 30% higher and someone messages you and say, hey, I like this, but it's a little bit more, you have 30% of wiggle room that you can lower, and then that person will feel like they're getting a deal. So when they actually get the original price that you would have sold it for anyway, they're feeling good about that, and they may come back and buy your other clothing. Another tip from a top seller on Poshmark is you want to think about a brand, okay, a type of clothing. If you're someone that has a certain style of clothing, you can actually create an entire closet on this app that all has to do with that type of clothing. That's going to entice people and motivate people to, if they buy one of your clothes, to go through and buy the rest of them. Okay, and another thing you want to also do is look at trends, right? Look at what other people are selling well, and find, you know, clothing that you actually may have in that you don't wear anymore, and list it when it's actually relevant. Okay, certain times of the year are going to be better to post certain colors and certain styles and things like that. So you want to take that into account as well. Well, there we have it, my friend. I hope you enjoyed learning about these 3 different apps to make money from your smartphone. If you like this video, you want me to make more money-making videos just like this one, be sure to hit the like button below to let me know. Also, if you're not subscribed, be sure to click the subscribe button so you're always notified of my latest training. And last but not least, these apps are great if you just want to make some extra money. But if you want to discover a free training that will reveal how I've been able to generate up to $2,000 a day online, be sure to go down below, click the first link in the description, and check out that training while it's still available. Anyway, my friend, thanks so much for watching, and I will see you on my next video.